Hey guys, what's up? We are telling your followers that you have started a live video. Okay guys, I'm really excited for today's live chat. I'm being very honest because we are going to talk about unseen hero जो हमारे लिए हमेशा रहते हैं, हमारे लिए कभी भी हिचकिचाते नहीं काम करने के लिए, हमारी हर एक हेल्थ को लेके, हमारी सुंदरता को लेके, हमारे स्वस्थ जीवन में अगर किसी का राज है तो आई थिंक दैट आई फील दैट आफ्टर मदर इट कैन बी ओनली अ डॉक्टर. एंड डेफिनेटली ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम ये जो भी सिचुएशन इतनी डिफिकल्ट परिस्थितियों के द्वारा हम अब तक बहुत सारी चीजें और मैसेज पहुंचाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. सो या गाइस, ओके, आई एम कमिंग टू नॉर्मल दिस थिंग. सो यस, टुडेज एपिसोड इज वेरी वेरी क्लोज टू माय हार्ट पर्सनल. हाय मन्ना. It's going to be very very special for me because I'm going to be talking about COVID-19 and I will be talking to our real life hero. Yes, Dr. Agnish Patyal I'm going to talk to, and I will be asking him most of the questions related to COVID-19. He is very renowned doctor, very big doctor, and I would say that कि बहुत डिफिकल्टी के साथ हमें उनका टाइम मिला है आज के लिए. अग्नीश पटियाल जी का, ही इज ENT सर्जन एंड बहुत सारी चीजें अगर मैं बोलना चाहूंगी, मैं बोलने के लिए मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है लंबा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दूं, but I really want to tell you guys that yes, it was very difficult to get his time, and he's one of the best ENT specialists in Mumbai and working with such a big hospital. And I'm really sorry about the audio barking next to me because he's also very very excited. So we will be asking about the COVID-19. We will ask him about the basic question about related to our day-to-day routine life and about his liking, disliking, और वो इस पेंडेमिक में और ये सारी कोविड पेशेंट्स के साथ वो कैसे डील करते हैं, वो सारी चीज़ों के साथ वो किस तरह से बर्ताव करते हैं, और हमें उन मैसेजेस के थ्रू वो और क्या इन्फॉर्म कर सकते हैं, हमें क्या क्या अपने आप को लेकर प्रिकॉशंस लेने चाहिए, वो सारी चीज़ों को लेके आज हम उनसे बात करेंगे. एंड please welcome our guest of today, Agnish Patyal. And और एक बात मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगी आपको कि हम घर बैठे हैं और हम सेफ है, बट बहुत बार हमारे साथ ये भी होता है कि हम उन चीज़ों को नहीं समझ पाते हैं, हम उन लोगों को ठीक से नहीं समझ पाते हैं, और हमें हमारे मूड स्विंग से कैसे डील करना वो भी नहीं समझ आता है. बट इमेजिन डॉक्टर्स हु आर गिविंग देयर बेस्ट and not even giving a thought about their life and their family, still working for all of us to provide their best and उसके बावजूद भी हम उनकी बातों को कहाँ सुनी कर देते हैं, नहीं ध्यान देते हैं उतनी. तो मुझे कई बार ऐसा लगता है कि हम इतने नासमझ तो नहीं हैं और हमें इतने नासमझ होना भी नहीं चाहिए. वी शुड इन फैक्ट सपोर्ट everyone. We should tell everyone about, and we should spare more awareness. And अगर आपको कोई questions हो, आपको कुछ पूछना हो, anything that is your day to day रूटीन लाइफ से रिलेटेड हो, तो प्लीज़ आप फाइंड आउट करें और क्वेश्चंस में डालिए, कमेंट सेक्शंस में डालिए. वी विल डेफिनेटली आस्क हिम एंड ट्राई एंड नो मोर थिंग्स अबाउट हिम. लाइक आई हैड लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस अबाउट माइग्रेन एंड अबाउट साइनस, क्योंकि हम जब कोशिश करते हैं कि हम सारी चीज़ों को मद्देनजर रखते हुए वो सारे चीज़ों को फॉलो करने की कोशिश करते हैं, तो भी हम लोग उतना बेहतर ख्याल नहीं रख पाते. लाइक आई एम बीइंग वेरी ऑनेस्ट, आई शेयर माय प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ का एक्सपीरियंस. लॉट ऑफ टाइम इट हैज हैपेंड दैट, हे Karan, आई एम एब्सोल्युटली फाइन, थैंक यू. बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है मेरे साथ कि मुझे ग्लिसरीन लेकर मुझे साइनस इश्यू बहुत हो गया है, और मेजरली आई हैव फेस दिस. मुझे ये काफ़ी सालों से मेरे साथ है. सो मुझे समझ नहीं आता था कि वेदर इट वाज बिकॉज ऑफ ग्लिसरीन या इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ मेरी ब्यूटी का राज. कारण मेरी ब्यूटी का राज तो मैं बताऊंगी आपसे जल्दी. वैसे आई एम हियर टॉकिंग अबाउट COVID-19 टुडे, करण, एंड आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट कि हमें घर बैठे हम जो न्यूज़ पे देखते हैं कि आज नए ये इतने केसेस मिले हैं, आज इतने लोगों को COVID-19 पॉजिटिव पाया गया है, उतने में ये इतने नंबर है जो ठीक हुए हैं. बट एट द सेम टाइम हमें ये नहीं पता चलता कि कोई ठीक हुआ है. हमें ये भी नहीं पता चलता है कि इसकी ट्रीटमेंट क्या है. हमें ये भी ठीक से नहीं समझ आता है कि इन लोगों को ट्रीटमेंट कैसी दी जाती है. लाइक आई ऑनेस्टली, हम जब बाहर जाते थे तो स्पोर्टिंग के लिए, जब हमारे जो कैमरामैन थे, हमारे जो सारे फोटोग्राफर्स थे, दे यूज्ड टू बी ऑलवेज देयर एट द स्पॉट बिफोर वी रीच, सो दैट हमारी एंटरटेनमेंट वर्ल्ड में कौन कहाँ क्या एक्टिविटी कर रहा है सब अब तक पहुंच जाए आराम से. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द रिपोर्टर जो ये COVID-19 के दौरान काम भी कर रहे थे, वो लोग जो COVID-19 के, उनको आई थिंक मोर देन 60 रिपोर्टर्स को कोरोना पॉजिटिव डिटेक्ट हुआ था. एंड दैट वाज वेरी, मुझे बहुत इस बात से बुरा लग गया था कि you are serving best to your audience, to your nation, to your people, but still हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं अपनी लाइफ में जो सोचते हैं वैसा कभी होता ही नहीं है. And life will always give you surprises. Life will always get you something that you have never expected. मैंने आई थिंक 4 दिन पहले की बात है, मुझे तो लगा कि अब आई थिंक लॉकडाउन खुल ही जाएगा, और मुझे उड़ती उड़ती खबर आ रही थी कि लोग आज भी समझ नहीं रहे हैं इस बात की सीरियसनेस को कि घर पर बैठे स्पेशली अपना ख्याल रखे, स्पेशली अपने लव्ड वंस का ख्याल रखे, स्पेशली इन चीज़ों का ख्याल रखे कि कहीं ना कहीं हमें इन सारी चीज़ों को जिस तरह से झेलना है, इन सारी चीज़ों को अपने आप में मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि बहुत बार हम लोगों को बोलते हैं लेकिन हम खुद नहीं करते. तो हमें इन चीज़ों को लाइटली नहीं लेके समझना चाहिए. एंड हमें आज डॉक्टर से सवाल हो, then we should share it with him, we should talk to him, we should ask more everything related to nose, ears and your throat. Why? I'll tell you what the reason behind this is. क्योंकि हमें मास्क पहनकर बोला गया है कि hide your mouth and your nose, क्योंकि इन्फेक्शन छूने से फैल रहा है, और छूने से भी अगर फैलता है तो मुझे आज भी ये जानना है that कि हम सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग रखने के बावजूद भी ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिन्हें COVID-19 पॉजिटिव पाया गया है, पॉजिटिव मिला है. सो मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि आई थिंक डॉक्टर पटियाल विल बी द राइट पर्सन टू गाइड अस अबाउट COVID-19 because he is the best doctor in Mumbai for ENT, and I would still say I think he's in a bad network. He's trying to come, yeah. Okay, I just got a message that he's in a bad network area. So, but he's still trying to manage. And जब मुझे पता चला था, जब मैंने उनकी डिफिकल्टी से टाइम लिया था, तो उन्होंने, hey, hi Agnesh, finally I
Hi,
have you. Hi.
I'm so happy to have you here.
Thank you, and thank you so much. I'm also really happy to have you on my show.
Thank you,
My
thanks a lot.
audiences were really happy and excited about you coming on the show. They had a lot of questions, so I've asked them to
My
mention it in the
pleasure,
comment section.
my pleasure, definitely. Tell me, how can I help you? How's it going with you all in this
Everything,
testing
yeah,
time, I must
honestly,
say?
my lockdown is going on since September. So I was part of the show, and now I'm again in lockdown situation. But luckily, I have
Okay,
my phone and everything available, and my loved ones around me. So yeah,
that's great, that's great. I think
you tell
phone
us.
is the
I
only
really,
lifeline what people are having. Just imagine if lockdown was there without people having phones.
oh my
How would
God.
that be for them, you know?
Oh
Half
yeah.
of them would have committed suicide by now.
No.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Mhm.
But a lot of people are facing network issues also these days. Or people are saying that,
Yeah,
अरे
yeah,
हमारा Wi-Fi नहीं काम कर रहा है. So even I had the same issue. I think when I started, when I had Joven on my show last week,
yeah.
so
Okay,
we faced the same problem. So
okay.
मेरे यहाँ network नहीं था, and he was sitting in the mountain, so he couldn't make it. Well,
I
thank you
hope
so
we
much,
have,
Agnesh, for
I
coming
hope we
on
have
this
best
show.
of the network right now.
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy, and I was little scared that कि आप अगर network issue face करोगे तो मैं बहुत problem में आ जाऊंगी आज.
नहीं नहीं नहीं.
So Agnish, I really had. First of all, I want to say thank you so much.
My pleasure.
इतने difficult situation में भी, इतने hectic schedule में भी आपने time दिया for this is very
My
very
pleasure.
important.
My
Thank you
pleasure.
so much for that. And yes, I already have two, three things. Very, very important question to ask. क्योंकि हम तो सब यहाँ से मास्क लगा के चले जाते हैं, but still बहुत सारे ऐसे patients हमें आज भी मिलते हैं जो COVID-19 positive पाए जाते हैं. Like one of my very very close friend,
Hmm.
Devulina, उनके कुक को COVID-19 हो गया, but I don't know
Okay.
how.
Hmm.
And वो कोई ऐसी surrounding में नहीं थे, but yes, he used to go out to get the ration and all. But still,
Okay.
he's quarantined in some, he's staying in some hotel, and people are taking
Yeah,
care of
yeah,
him.
yeah.
So
Hmm.
how do you get to know that कि अच्छा ये COVID patient है, ये COVID patient नहीं है, and is there any 1, 2, 3 stage? Because अभी बीच में मुरानी daughter को भी Miss मुरानी को हो गया था, and then later
Hmm.
they found that you know अब negative आया है, कुछ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reports होते हैं, and then Kanika
Hmm.
was
Hmm.
found positive. Now she's actually fine, touch wood.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
what are the
See,
symptoms?
what happens is basically we have to find for the key symptoms. What are the key symptoms? Number one is fever, cough, or some breathlessness or breathing difficulty or something. Apart from that, there are certain other symptoms that we have to look into. Patient may have a headache or maybe a muscle pain, or there may be chills or shivers. He can have a loss of taste or loss of smell. He can have some other factors as well, sometimes even diarrhea or skin rash or some discoloration of the digits. So these are all the basic things that we have to ask with people. But many a times, many people are asymptomatic about it. That means they would not be having any symptoms, yet they can be positive. This is also found out, especially in the healthy population, young population who are otherwise healthy, not having any other ailments or diseases like blood pressure, diabetes, and all. So we have to extra careful when we are seeing any patient in our OPD. We have to take this into regard that that patient might be positive. So that's why we have to wear all that personal protective equipment and everything.
Like if I say today that I am feeling that I have मुझे symptoms लग रहे हैं that I might be COVID-19 positive, then
Mm.
how will I get the same treatment what the patient is having, or I will have to go through some test and they will check and they will let me know, or they'll just come and seal the building directly.
No, no, no. They won't be coming and sealing the building unless the COVID test is come out to be positive. Initially, when the symptoms are there, this can be not only COVID, but even normal cold that we can have. Sometimes you can have allergic symptoms. Sometimes you can have normal congestion or something which is giving rise to, sneezing effect. And you, because of the scare factor which is now generated because of the current scenario, people think that they might be having COVID. So that's why they get a little paranoid about this particular fact. So many times we are getting these calls on the phone. And we tell them, please stay rested and don't take so much of stress, and just general medication what you can have for the cold you can give them. And just in case if you're not getting better in day or two, and certain other factors are there, history of a travel, or maybe in vicinity to somebody who's come out to be positive, a contact history. So these are all the things which are likely to be asked. So if these things are positive, then we can advise them to go and get the COVID-19 test done. So
Okay.
once the report comes out to be positive, then he is a COVID patient. Then he has to go to the hospital and get admitted, depending upon what the situation is. Like that it is.
Okay.
So not everybody who is having sore throat and sneezing is going to be COVID-19 patient. I have had so many of them. I got them tested and they came out to be negative. But at the same time, there is a different side to the coin. Even if patient is not having symptoms, he can still be positive. We have come across those patients as well.
Okay.
That is also there. So it is not a dictum that if you have these things, you're going to have this, even asymptomatic. And many of the healthy and young individuals are asymptomatic. So that is
And how
the
do you
threat
consult
basically for
them?
this.
Sorry.
Yeah, you are asking?
How do you consult them? Like, if you have to meet somebody, so you go personally, or
Yeah,
maybe
yeah.
you
See,
go.
see, if somebody is having just mere issues of sneezing, sore throat, or something of that sort, we consult them on phone. This can be a teleconsulting.
Okay.
Because what happens is, there is a different thought about it. What happens is, if the patient is by any chance positive and he's coming to any particular doctor and seeing him just for the sore throat, but if he is positive, he's likely to infect whosoever is sitting over there, as well as the healthcare personnel as well. So if that thing happens and the healthcare personnel, he gets positive, then he will not be able to render his duty at least for a couple of weeks till the time he comes out to be negative. So this is a major risk, not only for the patient or the other people who are sitting, but also for the doctors. So that's why these patients are initially consulted on phone. If they are not responding, things are getting worsened, then we have to call in for the test.
And when you go and check personally, give them attention, and you have to attend, definitely you have to go on a round, or maybe you stay at the hospital only, or you have to come back. You can come back home and you can have your normal life. How do
Nah,
you how
see
do you
what?
manage your life? I mean, like your family must be in stress, I'm sure.
No, no, no. Basically, what happens is all these duties are segregated. Now, if somebody is there for the COVID-19 duty, for the positive patients, it's a different scenario. Or
Mm-hmm.
people who are going for other duties, that is a different scenario. If you are posted for COVID patients exclusively, then you are not seeing other patients. You then you go back and you are isolated. You cannot go back home because you're
Mm-hmm.
already exposed to the positive patient. You cannot go back home at the risk of infecting your, close ones at the home, especially when you have children and elderly people. So you go back to either a hotel or some accommodation which is arranged by the hospital. Then the other day you again go back to the duty. And when your turn is over, say by 10 days, you constantly work for 10 days. Then after
Mm-hmm.
10 days of swab is taken, if that is negative, you can go, rest, and then come back again and join the duty. And if by hard luck, if you come out to be positive, then you are admitted. Then one
Oh
healthcare
God,
person is
मतलब
down. Then another healthcare
15 दिन
person has
आप
to
वहां
come
काम
and
करो, 15 दिन आइसोलेट रहो.
correct, 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 correct.
तो
15
मुझे
दिन
ये,
काम करो.
बट एक और सवाल है कि हम लोग को तो लॉकडाउन होने के बावजूद भी आई एम फेसिंग लॉट ऑफ मूड स्विंग इश्यूज, आई एम बीइंग वेरी ऑनेस्ट. और आपको नहीं ऐसा मन करता होगा दैट व्हाट इज दिस डे, देयर इज नो रूटीन लाइफ, देयर इज नथिंग, कभी भी कोई भी इमरजेंसी आ जा सकती है, एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू बी देयर विलिंगली, यू गाइस गो.
No, no, it is seriously very difficult. See, what happens is when you are there, you are not only there as a person, but you are wearing so many other things like protective equipment, which is like a big load shed on you with the headgear and goggles, mask, and everything all together. Even if you want to go to the loo, it is not possible. It is just as good as you are doing a some serial wherein you have to wear so many dresses. It's very difficult to
No,
manage other things the same
didn't
way.
know about this. I
Yeah,
only
so
knew
this
about
is
the glasses and the headgear.
no, the whole suit we have to wear, no? It is the suit along with the gloves, along with that headgear, along with the gogs, if at all we are wearing inside, and the mask and the gloves, and then we are seeing the patients.
Hats off to you guys. आप लोग इतनी difficulty से
Like that it is.
but there are a lot of people still don't understand. Don't you feel that कि ये लोग सुनते नहीं है because doctor have that thing in their एक उनके अंदर की माँ जाग जाती है. तो तब आपको ऐसा मन नहीं
सीरियसली
करता कि मैं
ये
भागूं
सब जो
लेकिन
सिचुएशन
people
है और
understand.
अभी Yeah, अभी सिचुएशन ऐसी है कि सिचुएशन इज लाइकली टू वर्सन केसेस आर इंक्रीजिंग दे आर बाउंड टू इंक्रीज and now we have also received some emails from the Maharashtra Medical Council about the availability in future time. So they are
Mhm.
asking voluntarily if somebody, all the doctors who can come and help them, because the cases are, I mean, it's a speculation that the cases are going to rise up and we have to be on our toes.
पर ऐसे
So
अभी भी
that's why it
बहुत
is very
सारी
important.
जगह है जहां पर लोग समझते ही नहीं है दे पर्सनली अटैक पीपल एंड जब डॉक्टर्स लेने जाते हैं तभी भी तो हाउ डू यू आप उनसे कैसे डील करते हो तो वो पेशेंट जो आना नहीं चाहते हैं मे बी जो भाग जाता है उनसे कैसे डील करते हो आप
पेशेंट जो आना नहीं चाहता जो भाग जाता है
या
हम लोग
बिकॉज
कुछ
हम
डील
लोग
नहीं कर सकते वो तो चला गया हम पुलिस में इन्फॉर्म कर देते हैं वी इन्फॉर्म एवरीबडी वी इन्फॉर्म इन अवर ग्रुप्स the doctors group and all those things the name and the patient and everything if he is coming to if he is having some medical problem he has to go to some hospital so the hospital should have prior intimation that such and such person is there especially if you go to see some if some pregnant women is there so all those people are already informed so we
ओके
have
एंड
to do
ऑल आवर
that much of
सीनियर
work yeah.
सिटीजन would you like to give some kind of advice to them जिन्हें high diabetes हो because my mother has it and she's got
Mm-hmm.
a BP issue and not all the time she can't wear mask and at some emergency उन्हें कभी ऊपर नीचे करना पड़ता है so
नहीं,
for
अगर
them for that kind of
डायबिटीज है
people
definitely if you have diabetes if you have blood pressure you have to make it sure that it is in good control if it is not in good control you have to talk to your doctor who is treating you because it is very very important if it is not in good control then
okay
it's not going to be good for you especially when you're elderly who are the see we have high risk groups basically for this virus infection who are the high risk group people who are more than 60 to 65 years of age or people who have pre-existing conditions or things like somebody can have a pulmonary condition like asthma or COPD or somebody can have blood pressure diabetes cardiovascular problems or somebody can have cancer or other or immunological condition like HIV somebody can have treatment going on like steroids which is going to suppress the immunity so these are all the high risk patients and they have to be extra careful they really have to be very very vigilant about following all the norms which have been told which everybody is almost aware about like you have to wear the mask don't go out in the public follow the lockdown don't go out in the public maintain social distance wash your hands do not touch your face with your hands that is the most important thing and the hygiene factors, as in if you're getting sneeze or cough or something, you have to sneeze on your elbow. If you have a tissue paper, sneeze on the tissue paper and just discard it off. See, because these people, if they get the infection, it will be very difficult for them.
true
Because
that
they can likely go into the severity of the disease, which is like pulmonary function failure and hypoxia requiring ventilation. To be on ventilator is not a good thing.
yeah
The idea
very
is
true
that, see, as far as the disease is concerned, 80% of the people, they may be, coming out of the disease without any severity, minimal symptoms and they are coming out of the disease. The rest of the 20%, especially people who are elderly, they go into complications. They are the one who are hospitalized, initially in the wards, and if things are not favoring, then in the ICU. Once you are in the ICU, it's like a very bad task. So like that. So it's a bad story. I mean, people must be aware about all these things. So many things are going on. Europe as well as US, which is sharing the maximum burden of this particular thing. Almost 13 lakh people have come out to be positive. 77,000 of deaths, which is not a small figure
yeah
at all. And a powerful country like US facing this, it's a big lesson for the whole of the world to learn.
true
So
very true
that's why our prime minister has done a very good job to
and
put
on
up the
time
lockdown. On time, yeah, and managing 1.3 billion of population following this is not a small thing. So hats off to this particular thing which has happened to us, Prime Minister Modi and everybody following it. It's not a small thing, and everybody
Yeah, but
followed it.
people are,
It's a good thing.
yeah, thank you.
Yeah, but if
And
you go to see, you're correct. Right now, also, if you go and see the market, I mean, people slowly, they forget the things, especially the young ones. You will see them getting close to each other. They're wearing the mask. Mask is here and there, and they're holding hands. This is not something that you're supposed to do. All
yes,
those people should be made to go and visit the hospitals where all the patients are lying in the ICU, waiting for the death and, striving between life and death. It is
but there are
very
still
bad
blood
scenario.
numbers are not coming out. अभी भी हमें numbers मिलते हैं कुछ और फिर बाद में कुछ और होता है. मुझे ऐसे कई बार I'm being very honest बहुत डिप्रेसिव हो जाता है मेरे लिए 24 घंटे न्यूज के बारे में पता करना.
Hmm.
और yes of course even I also want to be updated और मुझे हर चीजों का ख्याल रखना है especially my family and the loved ones. तो जो every day when I get up I feel Mumbai is the only स्टेट जो रेड जोन में है कम्प्लीटली और लॉकडाउन लोग सोच रहे हैं बट आपको क्या लगता है कब तक खुलेगा व्हाट इज योर
See, it is not depending upon what I think or anybody think. Nobody in the world can ever comment what is going to happen. It is just up to the virus. We actually have to go and ask the virus, what do you want, boss? That is the scenario. See, because extension of the lockdown is all as per on that particular day, how many cases are there, how many deaths happened, how much of cases are going severe, and not getting back to normal lives. So this is the thing. According to that, the lockdown is projected. So it is not a small thing. So as far as today's time is concerned, I think it's gonna go at least for 2 to 3 months because we are still not reached the peak. Once we reach the peak, and then when we start going down the peak, that is the cases start reducing. That is the only time we can slightly extrapolate that this is gonna happen. Now the tricky situation is if the lockdown is continuing, then only we can extrapolate. But if the lockdown is over, then people again get together. Then if somebody is there, then again there will be a string of peak. There can be a second peak.
uh-oh
So it's a very tricky situation. That's why everybody has to follow the lockdown very, very sincerely. And it is very, very important for the old people greater than 60 or mom and dad, children, and people who have pre-existing condition not to take any risk. Follow all
yeah
the norms. I think everybody is aware about what we have to do, looking into all those videos. But then people are not doing it diligently. They have to practice
yes
it, and this is what we are doing. We are trying to inform them, they should come out of this particular thing, ignorance, and please practice this. It is going to make a lot of difference. What happens is
very
if the graph is flat, if the total number of cases at a particular point are less, even the healthcare people are able to take a better care. But if they go beyond a certain level, they are not paying attention, there is a sudden boom, then the healthcare infrastructure will not be able to take care of it. Things are going to collapse. And everybody is going to blame the healthcare, the ministry, and everything, not realizing that the loophole, the everything wrong is happening at their end. So it is very important for them to realize and come to this.
yep थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर अग्नीश आपका
Thanks a lot.
वैल्यूबल टाइम मिला हमें एंड सो मच इंफॉर्मेशन एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग लॉट ऑफ योर एक्सपीरियंस मुझे तो बहुत सारे सवाल करने हैं बट आई नो कुछ चीजें मैं यहाँ नहीं पूछ सकती बट डेफिनेटली थैंक यू सो मच बट जाते जाते मैंने अपने बहुत एक अच्छे फ्रेंड से सुना है दैट यू सिंग वेरी नाइसली बहुत अच्छा गाना गाते हैं आप एंड
That is one of the
आप
hobbies,
गिटार भी
yes.
बहुत अच्छा बजाते हैं बट
You want me
बहुत
to?
मैं एक शो के प्रमोशन में गई थी तो मुझे ऐसे लगता था पहले मुझे ऐसे लगता था कि डॉक्टर्स बहुत बोरिंग होते हैं बट डॉक्टर्स हैव द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर
Definitely, it is there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We have so many
आई नो
functions, so many conferences where we keep performing. We have so many people who are doing stand-up comedy. So many people who are into music, dance, and everything. So we are into this.
could you please sing for us also
Oh, okay. If you say so. Just a moment, yeah?
thank you thank you for all of us
Yep. So one song which comes to my mind with this situation is this. ओ मेरी ज़मीं, ओ मेरी ज़मीं, अफ़सोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए तो दर्द से महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा कह जाल मेरी रहे न रहे।
Network is
खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू, तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। सरसों से भरे खलिहान मेरे जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गाँव मेरा जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका। ओ वतना वे मेरे वतना वे तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू, तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। केसरी। Thank you.
Thank you so much. We loved it. We all loved it, and I'm sure you enjoyed today's session. And हमारे viewers को तो बहुत अच्छा लगा because they all were messaging
Definitely,
me
definitely.
since the time I have uploaded that you are going to be on the show. And live chat की एक खासियत ये है कि आप edit नहीं कर सकते हो और आपका सब
Correct.
candid होता है. So people connect
yes.
with you a lot, and they loved you. The kind of response I have got जब मैंने इस story में upload किया था, and the kind of love they are showering now, I can't tell you. And thank you so much for
Thank you. Thanks a lot. It
clap,
was
clap,
amazing
clap.
talking to
I'm
you.
having fun and praising you. Thank you so much, Dr. Agnish.
Thank you. Thank you. Take care.
Please take
We'll
care of
keep in touch.
yourself.
If you have anything from my side, any information, anything, I'm there. I'm
Definitely,
there for
definitely.
anybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.
But it was really fun, and I think some issues with the network. Yeah. Guys, I'm really sure y'all have enjoyed today's session a lot. थोड़ा सा network issue तो हर कोई face करता है यार. But he's a beautiful soul. I must say that कि इतनी difficult और hectic life होने के बावजूद he made sure that कि वो हमारे साथ बात करे और बहुत सारी awareness हमें दे, information जो आज हमें मिली है, प्लीज उन सारी चीजों को समझो, उन्हें neglect मत करो. Don't take your life so easy and don't take it so lightly. And just want to say thank you so much for all the love and support. अब एक और support कर दो. Please follow all the rules. Stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself. And once again, thank you, Dr. Agnish, for coming on the show. And it was really an amazing episode. Thank you.